Space, the final frontier, a place of immense beauty and mystery. It's filled with stars, planets, and galaxies. These objects race across unimaginable distances. It's a vast expanse that stretches out endlessly. Looking up at the night sky, we see a canvas of twinkling lights. We might imagine distant sounds accompanying this cosmic display, perhaps the roar of a supernova or the whisper of a comet's tail. But space holds a secret. It is profoundly silent. The silence of space is one of its most defining features. Unlike on Earth, where sounds surround us constantly, space offers no such symphony. Astronauts floating in the void experience this silence firsthand. They can communicate with each other only through radio waves. This absence of sound is not a technical limitation. It's a fundamental property of the cosmos. Sound, as we know it, cannot exist in the vast emptiness between stars and planets. To understand why space is silent, we need to understand what sound is. Sound is a vibration. Imagine a bell being struck. The bell vibrates, and this vibration travels through the air. These vibrations reach our ears, and our brains interpret them as sound. Without a medium to carry these vibrations, there can be no sound. Just as a wave can't exist without water, sound can't exist without a medium to travel through. Space is a near-perfect vacuum. This means that it is almost entirely devoid of matter, making it vastly different from the environment we experience on Earth. When we think of space, we often imagine a dark, empty void, and for the most part that's accurate. This means it's almost entirely empty. The vastness of space is so immense that the few particles that do exist are spread out over incomprehensible distances. Unlike our atmosphere, which is full of gases like nitrogen and oxygen, space lacks these elements. Our atmosphere is a rich mixture of gases that support life and allow us to hear sounds. Space has very few particles. These particles are so sparse that they're virtually non-existent when compared to the density of particles in our atmosphere. These particles are spread incredibly far apart. In fact, in some regions of space, you might find only a few atoms in a cubic meter. This extreme separation of particles is what defines the vacuum of space. This lack of matter means there's nothing for sound waves to vibrate. Sound requires a medium like air or water to travel through. Without a medium, sound waves cannot propagate. It's like trying to clap with your hands submerged in water. The resistance of the water makes it difficult for the sound to travel, and the result is a muffled noise. The sound is muffled because the water can't carry the vibrations as effectively as air. In space, the situation is even more extreme because there is no medium at all to carry the sound waves. In space, there's not even air, just an immense emptiness. This vast emptiness is what makes space so unique and so different from any environment we experience on Earth. The silence of space is absolute, a stark contrast to the bustling, noisy world we live in. The vacuum of the cosmos is a reminder of the vast, mysterious and silent universe that lies beyond our planet. Imagine yourself floating in the vast expanse of space. Stars twinkle like distant diamonds, but an eerie silence envelops you. No wind howls, no birds sing, no voices chatter. It's a silence so profound that it's almost deafening. This serene quietude is a constant companion to the cosmos. Galaxies spiral, stars explode, and black holes devour matter, all in utter silence. The universe, for all its grandeur and violence, plays out its drama on a stage devoid of sound. Now, you might be wondering, if space is truly silent, how do we hear about the sounds of space? It's a fascinating question that delves into the very nature of how we perceive the universe around us. Space, as we know, is a vast, empty void, devoid of air and other mediums that carry sound waves. So how do we capture the essence of the cosmos in a way that we can hear? Scientists use special instruments to detect radio waves and other electromagnetic radiation coming from space. These instruments, such as radio telescopes, are designed to pick up signals that are invisible to the naked eye. They capture the faint whispers of the universe, signals that have traveled across unimaginable distances to reach us. These waves are not sound waves, but they carry information. They are a form of electromagnetic radiation, similar to visible light, but at different frequencies. By studying these waves, scientists can learn about the composition, behavior, and history of celestial objects. Scientists can convert these signals into sounds we can hear. This process, known as sonification, translates data into audio. By doing so, we can experience the universe in a new and unique way, turning data into a symphony of the stars. This allows us to listen to the activity of stars, planets, and galaxies. Each celestial body has its own unique signature, a distinct sound that tells its story. From the rhythmic pulses of pulsars to the eerie hum of black holes, the universe is alive with a cacophony of sounds. However, it's important to remember that these are not sounds that would be audible to our ears in space. In the vacuum of space, there is no medium to carry sound waves. What we hear is a translation, a way for us to connect with the cosmos in a manner that our senses can appreciate. It's a reminder of the ingenuity of human science and our unending quest to understand the universe. Section 7. Listening to the universe. While we can't hear sound in space in the traditional sense, these converted signals offer a glimpse into the universe's hidden symphony. We can hear the pulses of pulsars, the bursts of energy from distant quasars, and even the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. These sounds provide valuable information about the universe's composition, history, and evolution. They allow us to study objects and events that would otherwise remain hidden in the silence. Section 8. The beauty of quietude. The silence of space, far from being empty or boring, is a testament to its vastness and mystery. It reminds us that the universe operates on scales we can scarcely comprehend. It challenges us to expand our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. There is a certain beauty in this cosmic quietude. It invites contemplation and wonder. It reminds us that there is still so much to learn and explore beyond our own planet. Section 9. Our noisy planet. In contrast to the silent expanse of space, our own planet is a cacophony of sound. From the crashing waves of the ocean to the chirping of birds in a forest, Earth is alive with noise. We often take this for granted. The next time you find yourself surrounded by the sounds of everyday life, take a moment to appreciate the unique soundscape of our planet. And remember the profound silence that blankets the vast universe beyond. As Section 10, Silence and the Stars. The silence of space is a profound reminder of the universe's grandeur and our place within it. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, where stars are born and galaxies collide, silence reigns supreme. This silence is not just the absence of sound, but a deep, resonant stillness that speaks to the very essence of existence. It is in this silence that we find the true scale of the universe, a scale that dwarfs our everyday concerns and reminds us of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our planet. It's a silence that inspires awe, wonder, and a thirst for exploration. When we look up at the night sky, we are not just seeing points of light, we are witnessing the history of the universe. Each star is a story, a chapter in the grand narrative of creation. This silence invites us to ponder our origins, to question our place in the cosmos, and to dream of what lies beyond the horizon. It is a silence that calls to the explorer within us, urging us to seek out new frontiers and to push the boundaries of our knowledge. As we continue to probe the cosmos, we do so with the understanding that while space may be silent, it has much to tell us if we listen closely enough. The data we collect from our telescopes and spacecraft are the whispers of the universe, revealing secrets that have been hidden for eons. From the formation of stars to the behavior of black holes, each discovery adds a new piece to the puzzle of existence. This silent dialogue with the cosmos is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. So the next time you gaze up at the starlit sky, remember the silence. Let it wash over you and fill you with a sense of wonder. Think about the countless generations who have looked up at those same stars, each one finding their own meaning in the silence. This silence connects us to the past and the future, to the known and the unknown. It is a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a cosmic dance that has been unfolding for billions of years. It's a silence that speaks volumes about the universe's mysteries and the endless possibilities that await us among the stars. In this silence, we find the inspiration to dream, to explore and to reach for the stars. It is a silence that challenges us to look beyond our immediate surroundings and to imagine what lies beyond. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, let us embrace the silence and listen to the stories it has to tell. For in this silence, we may find the answers to some of the greatest questions of existence.